Open InShot and select a background. Then, from the PIP, Picture-in-Picture option, choose an image. Click on the image, go to the mask option, and select the circular shape. Position the PIP image in a specific spot. Then add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and reduce the size of the circle in the mask option to the minimum. Move forward in the video to the point where want the circular image to appear fully, add another keyframe there, and restore the circular shape from the mask option. Between the two keyframes, go to the Ease Graph option and select the 7th graph. Do the same for the second image, but with a slight variation. After adding the second image in PIP, insert 2 keyframes first. Then go to the first keyframe and, in the mask option, make the circular image nearly invisible. In this way, the animation can be created more easily. Repeat the process 2 more times.